Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Google Chrome to go live on Facebook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to facebook.com by typing it into the address bar at the top of your browser. This will take you directly to Facebook's homepage where you can access all of its features, including the live streaming option we'll be using today. After the page loads, you'll need to log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Simply enter your email or phone number and password in the login fields, then click the login button. This step ensures you have access to all your account features and can broadcast to your friends, followers, or groups. Once you're logged in and on your Facebook feed, direct your attention to the area where you would normally create a post. You'll notice a live icon positioned right beside the text field that says "What's on your mind." This icon is specifically designed for starting live broadcasts and is easily recognizable. Go ahead and click on this live icon to proceed. After clicking, you'll see a menu appear with different options for going live. You can choose between go live for an immediate broadcast or create live video event if you want to schedule something for later. These options give you flexibility depending on whether you want to stream right away or plan ahead for a scheduled event. For this example, let's click on Set up live video under the Go Live section. This option allows you to configure your stream settings before you start broadcasting. Now, before you can start streaming, you'll need to grant Facebook permission to access your camera and microphone. A pop-up window will appear asking for these permissions. Click Allow to give Facebook access to your hardware. This is essential because without camera and microphone access, you won't be able to broadcast video or audio to your viewers. Next, you'll see options to select your camera device and microphone device from drop-down menus. If you have multiple cameras or microphones connected to your computer, you can choose which ones you want to use for your broadcast. Select your preferred devices to ensure your stream uses the right equipment for the best quality. Additionally, you'll notice an option to start screen sharing if needed. This feature is particularly useful if you want to show your desktop, a presentation, or any other content on your screen to your viewers, instead of or alongside your camera feed. You can toggle this on if your broadcast requires screen sharing. Once you've configured all your settings and everything looks good, click the Go Live button. Your broadcast will begin immediately and you'll be streaming live to your Facebook audience. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started a live broadcast on Facebook using Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.